My name is Delicerilsa Antoline Ruiz, and today I am going to talk about my dream life in 10 years. In 10 years, I will live in a comfortable house in a peaceful and safe city where my family and I will feel happy. I will have a professional job related to my career where I will help people and contribute contribute to improving services. My daily life will feel organized and productive because I will work, spend time with my family, and focus on my personal growth. I will travel to different places in Colombia and other con- countries, visiting beaches, natural park, and cultural system. I will be able to find financial stability, travel more, and with my family a better quality of life. I will enjoy spending time with my loved one and achieving my goal, and I won't waste time on negative things because I will focus on my well-being in the future. Life will be more technological and faster, but I will try to maintain balance and enjoy some moment. In conclusion, my future will be full of opportunities, growth, and happiness. Thank you for watching my video.